after doing our second team update, the feedback that came was the first point was on the AAR format. You mentioned that we are not following the AAR format on the update. The second point was about the milestone that should be in the MPP file, and you said we are going to talk about that in class on Tuesday. So we really want to talk about that because it's a little bit confusing to us. The third point was on the report, and one of the main points of that feedback was about the kick-off meeting. We can do this. We have not yet done this kick-off meeting yet because it's really hard for us to meet with the sponsor because she's always overbooked. So it's really hard for us to meet with her. But it's going to get done before, I mean, before class starts after the break. Then comes the scope. You talked about improve. What do we mean by improve? First of all, we haven't analyzed the database itself yet, but the sponsor globally told us about what she wants to be changed on the database. Therefore, we've planned all that we are going to get done on the database already. Talking about improvement, you did ask what do we mean exactly by improve? When we're talking about improve, it's like in our way to make the database final user be comfortable while using the database and while working with that. That's kind of what we mean by improve the database. But we are going to change that, probably the word, or we are going to change a few bit of our scope. But improving includes, in our point of view, improving includes like creating multiple layers of contacts and project records on the database. Then she want to be able to search database by project type, and we will make that easier for her. The third point is that we are going to ameliorate the overall aesthetics, aesthetic by limiting white space. And the last point of our project will be um, making her able to embed hyperlinks. That's an overall view of our project, and this is the plan we are going to make for the project to be like realized.